little two, little three, little four, little five, little six, little seven, little eight, little nine, little 10, little boys. Okay, put your hands here. Jan Brown has a bow and arrow. Jan Brown has a bow and arrow. Jan Brown has a bow and arrow. One little Jan boy. Okay, sit down, please. Okay. Dad, bring, Mommy, Daddy, bring po ng long plastic envelope and pencil. We will be the one to provide po the handouts. Okay, tomorrow, papasok ulit kayo dito. Who will go to school tomorrow? Okay, you will go to school, ha? Okay. Okay, tomorrow we are going to learn many things. We are going to have the vowels and the consonants. Do you want me to sing the alphabet song? Do you want to sing the alphabet song? You sing with me? Before going home? Okay, last song. Everybody stand. Go, stand. Okay, ready, okay, ready? Up to the ceiling, down to the floor, right to the window and left to the door. Mama kissed me, Papa hugged me, for I know my ABC. Okay, ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Boys and girls. Boys and girls, come sing with me. Okay, sit down. Ito, ibang natin. Oh, late na, Daddy, ha? Pero okay, start this na naman today. So, bukas mapasa. How much are you making? Ano po pangalan niya?
Yuri Isabel po.
Ay, hello. Say hi to my classmates. Hi, okay, tomorrow you're going to school. Ano ang level natin? You're going to bring a pencil and long plastic envelope. And then, you're going to wear like this, ha? Okay. Para alam ni teacher. And then, Mommy and Daddy, for those children who are not crying anymore, bukas lalabas na po tayo, no? Pero I'm going to allow the parents of the children who are still crying. Pero as much as possible, if they can go to school on their own, okay na po sila. Iwanan na natin, ha? Okay, say, goodbye, children. Goodbye, teachers. Goodbye, Jesus.
Goodbye, Jesus.
Goodbye, teachers.
Goodbye, teachers.
Goodbye, classmates.
Goodbye, classmates.
Okay, na? Ay, naman si Kyle, may dalang phone. Okay, okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't be absent. Okay? Mommy and Daddy, pwede na po.
Kunin mo na tayo, pare. Kunin mo.